That thing ain't got no. What's up? What's up? True family, we here, baby. But yeah, we'll use this to chase.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a 6 feet. And that ain't heat that you be dropping that big week.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start by calibrating this. So we're gonna go around till it turns green. I'm sorry. So we gotta calibrate it like this here. Wait till it turns green. There it goes, turn green. So you wanna turn it up now. And you wanna twist it around so it can calibrate. And it will turn red and green. There you go, red and green. That's calibrated. Hit the unlock button. Turns on. Shows the camera up there, but this thing is pretty dope, y'all. So you got since that thing would have went crazy. But yeah, it turns around. The camera is supposed to record in 1080p at least, but I don't know how to get it working yet, so we'll figure that out. But yeah, that's it. It say you have up to 500 meters. We ain't gonna go that far, but you know, I'm gonna use it for chasing the RC. Alright, let's turn it around because my camera ain't working on it, so I can't really see that much. But it looks like it's going pretty fast, y'all. Check that out. Wow. Wow, that thing moves pretty good. You got 20 minutes of runtime with it. Check that out. Hey, tighten up, baby. Yeah, that is dope. Bring it down. That is dope. Oh, you're recording. What's up? What's up? True family, we here, baby. But yeah, we'll use this to chase the RC cars. It's pretty fast, man. I like it. We're gonna need it to be fast to be chasing them damn RCs. Turns very well. You're supposed to be able to track the remote control. So if I put it on track this remote control, and it does have a home button. Let's see, I don't know what this button here was for, but I like this thing, man. Super dope. Which is one of them, you know, them trick, no, them little fast trick drones. I'll drive that bitch on the hill like it. Going out of style, look at that. That is dope. That is dope. Uh-oh. Hold on, True. Hold on, True. Oh, boy, I almost hit the wall. I almost hit the wall, baby. Acting like I got me one of them other drones. Yeah, that's dope. That is dope. Hey, tighten up, baby. There's some flying around this tree here. Don't hit it. I ain't got no more propellers for your ass right now. I'm just enjoying it. Just enjoy the ride. Just enjoy the ride. Oh, don't hit it, baby. Man, this is dope. I'm really enjoying this. Shout out to my cousin Dre for this. This thing is dope. It does have a return to home. We can catch the people on the bicycles. This thing is very, very dope. I like it. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? All right. Nice turn. Nice pivots. Let's see if we gotta return to home, man. It says that you can return to home, but I didn't set the waypoint, so let's see if it does. It went up in the air when I hit return to home, and now it is actually going. They say it will land like 2 meters away from where you were, but we're gonna see. I push home, and maybe it just comes where you had home at. It don't actually land, maybe. Oh, it's landing, guys. It is actually landing. Check it out. I'm not pushing anything. It is actually landing. I'm not touching anything. This thing is actually landing, guys. Guess it's finding a safe spot. Wow. Super dope. Wow. That was incredible, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm very happy with this drone. It's made by Holy Stone. Has a 1080p camera up there. I'm not sure if it's working. It's working. It is brushless motors on there. I need to buy me another set of props. But this thing is dope, guys. They say you could put a GoPro on there. I tried it. It wouldn't fit because of the clip. But I wonder if it's adjustable. Not sure. But this thing is dope. It powers on by you plugging in your battery. So you unplug the battery here. Let me show you guys. You will unplug your battery here. Oh, drop down the ground. There it goes. It's telling us no service. Alright, so let's. I hope that recorded. I'm not sure, guys. Hope that recorded everything. Let's see what the camera's doing. It says long press to start recording. And you do have to recalibrate every time you want to fly this drone. Let's see if that's true. Yep. So I was pushing the fly button and it wasn't doing anything. But that's super dope, guys. Make sure y'all check this out. I'll have the link to this drone in the description. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.